All right, it's Saturday. That means it's garage cleaning time. And if you're sick of your kids leaving your bikes laying everywhere, well, let's talk about a pretty easy bike wall hanging kit. I just installed 3 of these. Took me maybe 20 minutes. And it basically just works with a wall hook like this. You hook that front tire, and then there's a little plastic thing down there at the bottom so that the tire's not actually hitting the wall. And given that these are pretty cheap, you can get a 4-pack for about 40 bucks. I think this is a pretty solid way to get your kids to hang up their bikes so that you can park your car in the garage and maybe just not trip over their bikes all the time. Install's pretty easy. You basically just need to find a stud or use drywall anchors, 2 screws here on the top, and then 2 screws on the bottom. All the weight is sitting here at the top with this little arm. And so is there a con to a setup like this? If there is a con, it's probably just whether your kids can actually lift the bike and get it on the arm, or you're going to have to do that for them. As you can see, I've got these about a foot off the ground, so they are going to have to actually lift the bikes, which means I might be doing that for them for the most part, but hey, not too bad for getting them up on the wall. And the other nice thing is these will actually swivel out of the way. Of course, I can't do it with this one on this side, but I did put another one. Mind the mess, we're cleaning up. Did put mine over there, and so that one can actually swivel fully against the wall on that side. So happy garage organization. Hope this is helpful. If you want to check out these, there's a bunch of them on Amazon. I'll link to a few like this video if it's helpful. Get that garage cleaned up.